Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get this cute messy hair in Berry Avenue. So if you want to give your Berry Avenue avatar a trendy, effortless messy hair look, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can find and apply the cutest messy hair to make your avatar look stylish and unique. So, where to find a cute messy hair? You can just go to the avatar menu, then go to the menu in here, click on body and choose hair. Now you can just search for the hair by using this keyword. Over time, messy hair. Hit on enter and you'll see various of options. You can just choose which one to perfect your look. So for example, I'm going to use this ones right here, the first one. And this is how my avatar looks like now. Tap on done and this is the cute messy hair for your avatar. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment and click on thanks. Bye.